Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some of the best prototyping tools. As a matter of fact, you can use Figma for prototyping your designs. However, if you want to make a fancy and a complex prototype, then you must use modern websites or applications. So the best prototyping tool is ProtoPie, which is a flexible yet powerful prototyping tool praised among the design community for its easy to use interface. InVision Studio. InVision Studio is a prototyping and animation tool that lets you create advanced vector based design screens fast. It is one of the best high fidelity prototyping tool out there. Zeppelin and then Figma. Figma is an online user interface design tool that is that helps you to create websites, application logos, and much more. Figma is free to use. And at last but not least, Marvel. Marvel is a rapid prototyping tool, testing and handoff tool for digital designers endorsed by companies such as Nokia, Monzo, and BuzzFeed. Thank you very much.